Hello everyone, JT9 here. So yes, I am celebrating the anniversary on my beard, or my yeard. So yes, I am at the 1 year mark. So I'll just do a real quick side views here. So yeah, I'm at the 1 year mark. I did not do any trimming on length along the way. I've done some trimming here, either me or my barber, up in here and a little bit here. But yeah, everything else has just been growing south, as I call it. And here I am. So this is what I got at the year mark, and people ask me how long are you going to continue to grow that, and I'm like, I don't know if I understand the question. So what does that mean? I don't know. Is this the length I'm going to keep it? I don't know that either. So we'll just see. So what I'm going to do though for a series of videos is I am going to tell you what I have learned along the way on certain things and products and maybe techniques. You know, if you're just now growing a really short beard, or just starting and you have a short beard and you want to maintain that, or you want to grow it out, just things I learned along the way, and I'll just relay that to you guys. So today, this would be number one is man, keeping that beard moisturized and the timing on putting in your products. So I believe that you should start off, first of all, with superior products. And there are lots of companies out there that the products are really, really good. And yeah, if you're a newbie and you want to know more about that, just say something in the comments and you guys, plenty of guys will steer you in the correct direction, I'm sure. Okay, so normally I put product in right out of the shower and I am damp dry, and I suggest that you do that is when you put in your oils or your beard butters and balms and so forth, that you do it on a damp dry beard, which works out great when you step out of the shower, right? But a lot of guys will put product in their beard more than one time a day. And I tend to be a twice a day, in the morning right after the shower, and then late afternoon, early evening, I will apply product again. Right now at the stage that I'm doing, I usually do oil in the morning and I will do a butter in the evening. And why am I doing that? I don't know. I just like the butter to get in there, and I just do it as my nightly routine. But you guys, what I'm getting at is, so when you're going to add product to your beard and you're not right out of the shower, it is evening, or let's just say you take showers at night and it's now morning, but you didn't take a shower. I've covered this a little bit, but it's definitely worth talking about again. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I do on that. And you guys, so you want damp dry, right? So I have a bottle that I just keep around. It's just plain water, room temperature, because it's just been sitting around, right? So I will, not a whole lot, just a few sprigs of water. And I'm just getting to the point that I want to be damp dry. And so you guys, the feeling that I'm wanting here is the feeling of being damp dry, right? So I'm a little bit past that. I'll be right back. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. It was, of course, my towel's back there, right? It was just a little bit more damp than I wanted. So here I am. I'm damp dry. And now I am in the evening, so I like to do the butters in the evening. But like I said, you could do butter in the morning. It doesn't matter. But a good quality product. And here I'm just going to take, not that much butter. put it in like you normally would, but now your beard is got that damp dry, and that is what you're looking for. Man, I don't know if I really suggest even putting on product on a dry beard, because you're going to be combing it also, which I don't recommend combing on a dry beard. So yeah, put your product in and do what you normally do, and you know, comb it through or whatever your routine is, but using the spray bottle and getting the beard to be the moisture content that it should be when you are you know, putting product in your beard. And I think that is one of the main things that I learned along the way is, man, I don't even remember where I seen that a year or so, or a year ago, about doing that. I think I found that early on, and I always tended to do that. And that was, you know, use that water bottle and keep that moist. I've even gone to the point, if I don't have it, I'll just go down in the sink and get it wet before I put product in it and comb it and so forth. So, yeah, that is today's tip, or this time's tip or series, or whatever the hell we're going to say here. But yeah, you guys, stick with me. If you haven't subscribed, do so. I will bring more along the way of things I've learned while growing out my beard.